Okay, our last example is going to be looking at -1 plus root 3I to the 12th power. So again, we want to first convert this complex number in standard form into one in trigonometric form. So uh, let's find our r. That would be square root of -1 squared plus root 3 squared. Square root of 1 plus 3 square root of 4 is 2. And then our theta, let me draw a picture here real quick. So that's back 1 up root 3 on the imaginary axis. It's there, so it's in quadrant 2. Um, we can find the argument by doing tan theta is root 3 over -1. Uh, so theta is inverse tangent of negative root 3. That's the y over x. That's going to be 120 degrees, or 2 pi over 3. Okay, so we've got our modulus, we've got our argument. We're going to use, again, de Moivre's theorem, with n being 12. Yeah. With n being 12, so we're looking at z to the 12th power. That's going to be r to the 12th times cosine of 12 times 2 pi over 3 plus I'm running out of room here, times sine of 12 times 2 pi over 3. Okay, 12 times 2 pi over 3 is 24 pi over 3, or 8 pi. 2 to the 12th, you know what? I'm just going to leave that as 2 to the 12th. Because it's just going to get messy if I mean, that's a huge number. So 2 to the 12th times cosine of 8 pi plus I sine of 8 pi. That's the number z to the 12th in trigonometric form. Since they originally gave it to us in standard form, the z, maybe we want to write it in standard form. An angle of 8 pi is essentially an angle of 2 pi, or an angle of 0. So cosine of that would be 1, and sine of that 0. So the number we're looking at is just 2 to the 12th. That is what z to the 12th power is. Which is interesting because z is not 2. The modulus of z is 2. But z itself is not 2. So that lets you know there are other solutions besides just 2 that satisfy this equation. Okay. That's all I have for today. Your homework is given on the bottom of your notes, which is here. And so I'll let you copy that down if you don't have it already. Or you can press pause and then copy it down. And then the remainder of the notes are just sort of useful formulas that kind of summarize what we've been doing. Okay, thanks. Have a nice day and stay warm.